Hello guys, welcome to another piano lesson with Angel Victor. So today we'll be looking at the two dominant. Yes, yeah, we'll be looking at what the two dominant is and we'll be looking at various ways we can use the two dominant to spice up our play. Yeah, I know that some of you already know what the two dominant is and you all have different ways to use them, but that notwithstanding, trust me, there's something to get. Maybe for the pro, maybe you see something new, something like a reminder, not new. And then for the beginner, intermediate, you get to see various ways to use the two dominant. Okay, so without much talking, let's get into the lesson. Let's start from the key of C. We'll be in the key of C, then we'll see where it takes us to. So what is the two dominant? So before I explain the two dominant, we have to explain what the dominant is. We know the dominant chord is it's a major chord with the flattened 7. So I have my major, sorry, so I have this, and then with the 7. I have a video on dominant chords, yes, so you could probably look that up. Yes, yeah, so that's basically it. So for the key of C, we have our 1 major, our 2 is minor, D minor, 3 E minor. For F major, our 5 is G major, our 6 A minor, our 7 is a half diminished, and then back to 1. So if you really look at it, you see that the 2 is a minor, not a dominant. For it to be a dominant, we have to bring in the 3rd. Yeah, that's the only thing you need to do to make it a dominant. Remove a minor, just make it a major. Then already the minor 7 has that. For the key of D, so this is a major, then this is the 7th, but flattening that. Well, if you are not understanding, I do offer one-on-one private lessons for both guitar, violin, and music production classes. Feel free to hit me up. I know there will be a lot to get from it. Yeah, trust me, there will be. And I have lessons on this. Lessons where I had to explain some of this concept. So for the two dominant, this is it. Yeah, so I want to show you what you can do while you're playing on the major scale, things you can try to do with the two dominant. Yeah, okay, so let's get, so what's the first? The first is we use the two dominant as a secondary passing. Yes, a secondary dominant passing. Yes, we are using it as a secondary dominant passing chord. So I did this lesson on secondary dominant chords. So let's say I'm going to the key of, I'm playing in C and then the chord gets to G. I could quickly put in that two dominant there, or so I could quickly put in it. I could put that dominant, that two dominant, which automatically makes it a secondary dominant to the 5 and then to the 1. So let's try to see how we can put it in a song. There's as the deep ended for the waters, oh my soul longed after thee. Okay, so where's the 5 there? The 5 is, we have this as the 5 to the 7 against, so we could do that too. We could still make it kind of rootless because the 7 against the 5 is actually rootless, so we could do our 2 to be rootless too. So we have as like that. So that I'm using this it's still the same thing as the 2. So as, so that's what I'm doing. So as deep So I'm using this. So as the depend on how you like to fry your egg, but that's what I'm trying to explain. The thing is the concept. That's what really matters. So at first I did this, but I like the sound and I'm correct. True. So okay, so that's one way we could do this too. So as better. All right, that's one way. So I've shown you one way, and inside this one way, if you were really listening, you see I've actually explained the rootless voicing concept, because the song goes from as the D, and I don't want to go deep on it, but there are a lot of concepts there too. So you see me trying to change the voicing to fit with the progression of the song. Okay, so the second way is we use it to substitute the two. So the first way is we use it as a secondary dominant passing. It's now the second way is as we replace the two with it. The two in a major scale or in a diatonic key is always minor. So if I'm playing in that key DC now, if I'm to go to my 2, it will be 2 minor, but I can sometimes replace it to 2 dominant and then to my 5. So your regular 2 5 1 can be 2 5 1. Yes, it can. It's possible. Let's see. So as the deep panted for the water, so my soul longed after thee. So yes, that turn around. We have the 2 5 1 here. I could do that. So as the deep panted for the water, so my soul longed after thee. And you who are okay. So you see, instead of using it, so if you don't like this voicing, you can decide to alter some voicings, to alter the chords, alter some notes rather, and see what you can come up with. So I could do that. So it's left for you. Yeah, this is correct. Like I said, if you're seeing it as something big, then you really need a one-on-one class, and I do offer one-on-one class here online and both physically. Just chat me up or DM, whichever one. Okay, so the second way, like I said, I'm replacing the 2 minor with the 2 dominant. Okay, then third way, what other way can we use? So 2, and then we could use it as a way to modulate 2. Okay, before we go there, let's use it as a replacement for the 4. Yes, we can sometimes use the 2 dominant as a replacement for the 4. Yes. So the first one is as a secondary dominant passing. The second one is as a minor, a substitute for your minor 2 minor. The third now is as a substitute for your 4 major. So the 4 the 4 major is for, in the key of C, is this. Yes, so I have that. So as the deep and the waters, oh my soul, I'm using it here. Is it? But yes, I just use it in place of my 4. but I'm not putting the bass. Even if I add, okay, so as the deep ended for the waters, oh my, okay, so the waters, oh my soul, I prefer this voicing than this sounding harsh, but it can go though, it can go. So as the deep ended for the waters, oh my soul, long get off the deep. You are alone. Okay, that's that. Let's see. How excellent is your name, oh Lord. So how excellent is your name, oh Lord. What am I doing? But like I said, you just have to listen and experiment with it. It's an idea, like I said. It's an idea, so it's left for you to sit down and experiment with it. This is what really makes the difference between the pros and you know, I know you get what I'm trying to say. So you have to sit down, you have the idea now, look for songs, look for where you can substitute this. In some songs it might sound awkward, but you try it until you know where to fix it. So the last one I have is to help you modulate to the 5. So let's say I'm the key of G and I want to the key of C and I want to go to the key of G. I could do that to help me go to the key of G. I could play then I think you might not really get the, it helps make the transition smooth. I'm looking for a progression there. So I have my 1, I could do 1, then to the 5, to my, yeah, then I know you can't really spot that at what point where the key changed, so you can use it as a form of, now I'm in the key of G, modulation, yeah. And I can use it to go back to C too. You alone are my heart desire, and I long to worship you. So okay, I know a lot is here, and I know at some point too I was fast and all, but like my thought behind most of this lesson is this: it's not to show you what to play bit by bit. That's you go and do the work if you have the time. My thought is to show you that okay, this is something possible, you can work on it. That's the idea behind these lessons. Yeah, since we don't have all the time, we don't really have time to make these videos long to now be okay, let's be doing it. So you sit down, if you don't understand you can drop a comment, I'll always reply. And then if you have any videos you want me to be dropping, drop a comment too. If you have anything you break down, I think I've not done breakdowns for a while. As you all know, those of you that are following me actively, the channel is growing, and I'm really happy, and I want to say thank you to those that are supporting the channel in one form or another. And like I said, if you really want to go in depth and maybe you're not understand, you can hit me up for a one-on-one class. That's not that expensive, it's not expensive. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and stay blessed.